How to automatically save WhatsApp photos to your gallery? This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to enable WhatsApp photo auto download in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, tap on Storage and Data. Under the Media Auto Qualified section, you'll see options for mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. Tap each option and make sure Photos is selected. This allows WhatsApp to automatically download photos when they are received. After that, go back to the Settings menu and tap on Chats. Here, make sure the Media Visibility option is turned on. This setting allows downloaded WhatsApp photos to appear in your phone's gallery automatically. That's it. From now on, whenever someone sends you a photo on WhatsApp, it will be downloaded automatically and saved to your gallery, depending on your network settings. If your WhatsApp photos are still not showing in the gallery, make sure your phone has enough storage space and that gallery permissions are enabled for WhatsApp. And that's how to auto-save WhatsApp photos to your gallery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.